Are your plants struggling to stay alive in the freezing winter months? It can be heartbreaking to watch them wither and die. When the temperatures drop, what if I told you that saving them doesn't have to be expensive? In fact, you can do it all with items that cost just $1. Welcome back to Greenhaven Homes. Today we're diving into 10 genius Dollar Tree garden hacks that will keep your plants thriving all winter long. These tips are easy, affordable, and perfect for gardeners who want to see green even when it's snowing outside. Before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest home and garden tips. Now let's get started with the very first hack. Hack number 1. Dollar Tree Shower Curtain Frost Shields. Winter winds and frosty nights can be brutal on your garden, but you don't need expensive equipment to protect your plants. One of the easiest ways to shield them is by using clear plastic shower curtains from Dollar Tree. These inexpensive curtains can act as full-size frost shields when draped over your raised beds or delicate plants. Simply cut the curtain to size and secure it with binder clips, clothespins, or even Dollar Tree garden stakes. To make it even more effective, create simple hoops from the stakes to lift the curtain just above your plants. This ensures that your greenery doesn't get crushed while still providing a protective barrier against freezing air. On frosty nights, the plastic traps warmth and reduces moisture loss, keeping your plants alive and healthy. During the day, lift or remove the curtain to let sunlight in and prevent mold or mildew from forming. It's a simple, budget-friendly solution that can make a huge difference for your winter garden. Hack number 2. Pool Noodle Plant Collars. Your plant's roots are the most vulnerable part during the freezing winter months, and protecting them is key to keeping your garden alive. A surprisingly simple and inexpensive solution is to use Dollar Tree pool noodles as root collars. Slice the noodles lengthwise and wrap them around the base of your shrubs, small trees, or potted plants. The foam acts as a cushion, shielding the root crown from freezing winds and helping to retain warmth in the soil. For extra protection, combine the noodles with a layer of mulch around the base of your plants. This dual-layer insulation keeps the roots warmer for longer periods and prevents frost damage from sneaky winter nights. You'll be amazed at how such a simple, low-cost hack can make your plants hardier and ready to thrive once spring arrives. It's easy, reusable, and completely safe for your garden. Hack number 3. Dollar Tree Baking Pans as heat traps did. Did you know you can use something as simple as a baking pan to help keep your plants warm during winter? Dollar Tree baking pans are perfect for this hack. Fill dark-colored pans with water and place them around your outdoor or porch plants during the day. As the sun shines, the water absorbs heat and slowly releases it when temperatures drop at night, acting like a mini radiator for your garden. This method is especially effective for potted plants and small raised beds. Not only does it provide gentle warmth, but it also helps prevent rapid temperature swings that can shock your plants. You can even arrange multiple pans around a cluster of plants to create a small warm microclimate. It's a creative, low-cost way to give your winter garden an extra layer of protection without investing in expensive heating tools. Hack number 4. Plastic tablecloth. Windbreak walls. Cold winter winds can quickly dry out your plants and stress their delicate leaves. One of the simplest ways to protect them is by creating windbreak walls using plastic tablecloths from Dollar Tree. These lightweight sheets can be attached to garden stakes to form a barrier that shields your plants from harsh gusts while still allowing light to pass through. To set it up, insert stakes along the side of your garden bed or around individual plants, then drape the tablecloth over them and secure with clothespins or clips. This creates a mini barrier that reduces wind exposure and helps maintain moisture in the soil. It's perfect for raised beds, small shrubs, and even potted plants on porches or balconies. Not only is it inexpensive, but it's also quick to assemble and completely reusable season after season. Hack number 5. Humidity trays for indoor plants. Indoor plants often struggle during winter because heated homes dry out the air, causing leaves to brown and curl. A simple and affordable solution is to create humidity trays using shallow trays or Dollar Tree baking dishes. Fill the tray with water and add glass beads, pebbles, or marbles to elevate your plant pots slightly above the water level. This setup allows water to evaporate slowly, increasing humidity around your plants, without leaving their roots sitting in water. Place the trays under your tropical plants, herbs or any house plants that thrive in higher humidity. Grouping multiple plants together on one tray can enhance the effect, creating a mini microclimate that keeps leaves lush and prevents the dryness that often comes with indoor heating. It's a simple, reusable, and cost-effective way to give your indoor plants the moisture boost they need to stay healthy all winter long. Hack number 6. Stackable wire racks for vertical winter gardens. When winter limits the space and sunlight available for your plants, vertical gardening is a game changer. Dollar Tree stackable wire racks are perfect for creating tiered indoor gardens near sunny windows. By elevating your plants, you maximize available light and keep smaller pots from being overshadowed by larger ones. Arrange your herbs, seedlings, or potted greens on each tier, making sure the tallest plants are on top so sunlight reaches all levels. These racks are sturdy, lightweight, and affordable, allowing you to create a compact, organized garden even in apartments or small indoor spaces. You can even combine this setup with grow lights for an extra boost during shorter winter days. This hack not only saves space but also ensures your plants get the light and warmth they need to thrive throughout the season. Hack number 7. Cheap spray bottles for regular misting. Indoor heating during winter can dry out the air, leaving your plants' leaves brittle and stressed. A simple solution is to use Dollar Tree spray bottles to lightly mist your plants on a regular schedule. Misting provides the moisture your plants need without overwatering the soil, helping prevent leaf browning and keeping tropical and indoor greenery happy. For an extra boost, you can mix a few drops of neem oil with water to create a gentle plant-safe spray that also helps deter pests like spider mites. Place the spray nozzle close to the foliage and mist evenly, ensuring you cover both the tops and undersides of leaves. Regular misting is a quick, low-cost way to recreate a natural humid environment indoors, keeping your plants healthy and vibrant even during the driest winter months. Hack number 8. Epsom salt boost for winter-weary plants. Winter can leave your plants looking tired and pale, but a simple Epsom salt treatment can give them the nutrients they need to stay green and strong. Dollar Tree sells Epsom salt, which contains magnesium, an essential nutrient that helps plants maintain healthy foliage and supports overall growth, even in low-light conditions. To use, mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per gallon of water and water your plants once a month. This gentle boost helps prevent yellowing leaves and gives your indoor or outdoor winter plants an extra edge against the stress of cold temperatures and reduced sunlight. It's an easy, inexpensive way to nourish your garden without any complicated fertilizers, keeping your plants vibrant and resilient all season long. Hack number 9. Plastic bins for mini indoor greenhouses. Delicate seedlings and small indoor plants can struggle in the winter when temperatures fluctuate. A simple and effective solution is to use clear plastic storage bins from Dollar Tree to create mini greenhouses. Simply flip a bin over your seedlings or potted plants, and it will trap warmth and humidity, providing a stable environment for growth. Make sure to lift the lid occasionally, or cut small ventilation holes to allow airflow and prevent mold or mildew. These mini greenhouses are perfect for herbs, succulents, or any young plants that need extra protection from cold drafts. They're reusable, easy to set up, and incredibly budget-friendly, giving your plants the warmth and moisture they need to thrive all winter long. Hack number 10. Dollar Tree garden gloves as pot covers. Small potted plants are especially vulnerable to frost and freezing temperatures during winter. A surprisingly effective and affordable solution is to use spare Dollar Tree garden gloves as quick pot covers. Simply slip the gloves over the tops of your pots, making sure the fingers cover the edges and provide insulation for the soil and roots. This simple hack helps trap warmth, protects roots from frostbite, and prevents the soil from freezing on particularly cold nights. It's perfect for herbs, small decorative plants, or any container that doesn't fit inside your mini greenhouses. The best part is that the gloves are reusable season after season, making this a creative, budget-friendly way to give your potted plants extra protection when winter temperatures drop. Now that you know these $10 tree garden hacks, keeping your plants alive and thriving all winter long doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. From shower curtain frost shields to mini indoor greenhouses, and even simple hacks like using garden gloves as pot covers, each tip is designed to protect your plants, save you money, and make winter gardening easier than ever. Which hack are you most excited to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I love seeing how you bring these ideas to life in your own gardens. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your gardening friends, and subscribe to Greenhaven Homes for more budget-friendly, creative ways to keep your home and garden thriving year-round. Stay warm, keep gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.